Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Greendot to Chime. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So currently, there is no a specific process for you to transfer money from Greendot to Chime directly, but you can simply transfer money from Greendot to your Chime using a third-party service like PayPal or any other third-party services like that. So to use a third-party service, for example PayPal, to transfer money from Greendot to your Chime, here is a simple workaround for that. So first thing to do is to link Greendot to PayPal, then log into your PayPal account, then navigate to the wallet and select link a bank account, then enter your Greendot account details. From there, then once linked, transfer the desired amount from your Greendot account to your PayPal. Then from there, you have in the PayPal, go to wallet and choose a link bank account, then enter your Chime account information. Then from there, after linking, transfer the fund from your PayPal to your Chime account. Then here's the key important note: ensure that the names on all accounts match to avoid any issues, and that's how you can simply transfer money from Greendot to Chime using a third party service like PayPal. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.